Our goal here, Cody and I, whenever he started this, is just like, Dad, I want you to build, uh, you know, build your dream machine. And it's like, golly, here's, and this is not even all of them. I've got like 8 different books of just ideas that I have collected over, 35 years worth of things. And whenever he brought this to me, he said, I want you to build your dream stuff. And then it's just like, what would my dream one be? And I just started writing things down, and it's been crazy, how far we've come, but I've got so much further to go.
And sometimes I feel like Milo Thatch off the Disney movie Atlantis, right? Just a stack of moleskin notebooks.
It's crazy. But it's all about making sure that it's useful for you guys. If it's something that is not useful, I don't really want it in there. And I've stated that before. We had one client that not only were they a real estate agent, but she was a belly dancer instructor, and she said something. She wanted something for her belly dancing. It's like, I'm not touching that one. I don't know what that is, but there are certainly things that we want to reach and achieve, and making sure that it does what it needs to do for you guys. We will eventually be going to other industries. Real estate, I know real estate. I know what you guys do, and there's so much that needs to be created. But it's, at the same time, I don't want to overcomplicate things, but this is a complicated business in a sense. I mean, there's lots of checks and balances that you guys have to do, and make sure that you get your job done. And so we're trying to accommodate that. Ultimately, the AI is going to be able to know, hey, this is how things relate to the data. And I've got this record, it's got to have this information. And then it can start doing the things for you. And that's ultimately where we're headed, so that realistically you could be driving down the street and doing this stuff and just say, hey, Sam, check my emails, or check, whatever it is that you need it to do. And it intuitively knows what needs to be done, because it knows the structure of your business, and it knows how you do business. And that's the real goal of this, is making sure we have places for everything. A lot of people they're trying to automate things, and they're just using spreadsheets and things like that, which managing that with thousands of clients would be a nightmare. It's just unrealistic.